Hi everyone, welcome to our video today about garden pathway ideas. If you are looking for ways to add some characters and charm to your garden, then you are in the right place. Garden pathways are a great way to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space. They can add structure and definition to your garden and can even lead you to some of the hidden games of your outdoor oasis. So let's get started and explore some creative garden pathway ideas. Stone pathways. Stone pathways are classic and timeless. They can be made from different types of stones such as flagstones, river rocks, and gravel. They offer a natural and earthy feel to your garden. You can choose to make a winding or straight path depending on your preference. You can also add moss or plants between the stones for a more organic look. Wooden pathways. Wooden pathways can add a rustic and warm feeling to your garden. They can be made from different types of wood, such as a cedar or redwood, which are durable and weather resistant. You can choose to make them straight or covered. Wooden pathways can also be used to create an elevated walkway over water features, such as a pond or stream. Brick pathways. Brick pathways are perfect for creating a traditional and elegant garden. They offer a formal look and can be used to create geometric patterns such as herringbone or basket view. You can also add borders of different colored brick to create a decorative design. Pebble pathways. Pebble pathways are perfect for adding a zen-like quality to your garden. They are made from small pebbles which can be arranged in different patterns or shapes. They can also be combined with stepping stones to create a unique and artistic design. Gravel pathways. Gravel pathways are a great way to add texture and depth to your garden. They can be made from different types of gravel, such as pea gravel or crushed stone. They offer a low maintenance option and can be combined with larger stones or pavers for a more polished look. Mosaic pathways. Mosaic pathways are a creative and artistic way to add color and personality to your garden. They can be made from different materials such as tiles, glass, or even recycled materials like broken plates or bottles. Music pathways can be designed to feature intricate patterns or whimsical designs, adding a unique touch to your garden. Stepping stone pathways. Stepping stone pathways are a versatile and practical choice for any garden. They can be made from different materials such as natural stone, concrete, or even wood. You can choose different shapes and sizes to create a playful or formal look. Stepping stones can be arranged in a straight or winding path, leading you through your garden and highlighting your plants and flowers. Concrete pathways. Concrete pathways are a durable and low maintenance option for any garden. They can be designed in different patterns or stamped with decorative design to add texture and interest. Concrete pathways can also be painted or stained to complement the colors of your garden or to add a pop of color. Plant lined pathways. Plant lined pathways offer a natural and lush feel to your garden. They can be made from different materials such as gravel, stone, or concrete and lined with low growing plants such as moss, thyme, or creeping phlox. Plant lined pathways can also be enhanced with taller plants and flowers that add structure.